What's up guys, Nick Durr, and here at Mastery of Money, we are committed to you focusing on money now so you don't have to worry about the money later. In today's episode, we are talking about a question that I get quite frequently actually, and that is, can money buy love and happiness? Now the answer to that question is, duh, obviously. No, can it? Yes. Does it? Yes. Is it necessary? No. Now this is an interesting experience because I've been on both the giving and receiving aspect of this question. Can money buy love and happiness? I believe that it can, but it isn't necessary. Now, if you just look at the world and the dating world, these people might actually say, yes, you can buy love and happiness 100%. If you look at, all the dating apps or the dating services or matchmaking services, that is definitely a way that money can buy love and happiness for those people who are extremely busy and don't have time to network or happy hour or go meet people. You can definitely spend money to support your quest or your journey or commitment to finding love and happiness. You can also look at the travel industry. Now, yes, if you bought me a plane ticket to Delhi or Bali or Chiang Mai, I would love you and I would be very happy. And on the flip side, I know that every time I've paid for music festivals for my brother or my family, or I treat them out to dinner, it brings a smile to their face, and it's, we're able to create an environment of love and happiness and sharing. And so yes, money definitely can buy love and happiness. And my personal favorite is to just buy flowers just because, for special people in my life. Specifically knowing the type of flowers that they like, I will get that flower for them with a special note, and it brings a smile to their face and love is present. If you want to buy my love and happiness, I'm actually a very cheap date. We just need to go to a coffee shop. So maybe that's $4 if I'm feeling, fancy. Otherwise, you could just buy me a black coffee. I'll put 2 Splendas in there, no problem. We'll go to Blaze Pizza because Blaze Pizza is awesome. And then we'll go to a concert. Now concerts, can be a little more expensive, but there's free concerts and stuff like that. But I am also totally cool spending no money and experiencing love and happiness and being able to share my time with you. Now, it doesn't have to be in a romantic sense, just being able to spend time with family and friends and loved ones. No money is spent, yet love and happiness is present. So again, it underlines the fact that money can definitely support and empower and enhance an experience of love and happiness, but it is not required. Also, as a minimalist, I don't really have or need that many things. So when people do spend money, because I know that they know that I don't need that many things, and the fact that they, thought very, very carefully for something to give me is something that I really, really appreciate. And it can be as, simple or as cheap as a dollar bracelet from Belize. Like, that would be totally fulfilling for me. So money can buy love and happiness, and it doesn't matter how much. Now, what I think is important to note is that money can definitely enhance the experience of love and happiness, but it can't necessarily replace the experience of love and happiness. You can't throw money at love and happiness problems, but you can throw money at money problems. You see it in the news and around you all the time when the wealthiest people, the top 1%, are miserable and lonely. And then you also see the experience where people with little to no money or average income are extremely fulfilled, extremely passionate, loving their life, and extremely happy. So all in all, can money buy love and happiness? Yes, absolutely. If you take me to a coffee shop and then Blaze Pizza after, you will have my heart. But I also want you to know that if you spent no money and we went on a walk and we had a really deep, meaningful conversation and I was able to get to know you, I would also experience love and happiness. So my invitation to you is to really start to examine if there's a partner or a friend or a loved one, parent, sibling, whoever, in your life, and you really want to enhance and elevate the experience of love and happiness, really get curious and ask them, what do you need in your life to feel loved and happy? And see if their responses actually have anything to do with money. And if not, awesome. And if so, that's also awesome. There's nothing wrong with spending money on the people that you love. I have a client of mine, and literally she says that the reason why money is important to her is so that she can express her love. And actually, she's not the only one. She was the first one that came to mind. I have a lot of clients who, when we peel the layers of the onion back, the reason why money is important is because there's an aspect of service. And inside of that service comes the experience of love and happiness and joy. So can money buy love and happiness? Absolutely. Is it necessary? Absolutely not. A book that I'd recommend, particularly when it comes to romantic relationships, is The Heart of Money by Deborah Price. And this really starts to examine the underlying meanings and importance of money as it relates to your partner, how to have particular conversations. And it's a good book. I've taken a few tips and concepts to apply to the clients that I have that are in relationships and couples, and to really create true financial intimacy, or as I like to say, intimacy. Now, if you want to take your finances to the next level and elevate your money mindset, check out these videos here And remember to hit subscribe and be one with the like button. We put new videos out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We will see you next time.